Hi guys, welcome to Bharath Cycle Hub. So today I'll be showing you how to fix the punctures of cycle. First thing you have to do is you have to remove the wheels. Since this one has a quick release, it's easy. On the cycles without quick release, you will be needing some tools such as Allen keys or spanners. So after releasing the quick release, removing the quick release, you can just remove the tire. So for removing the tires, I'm using this spark tool tire levers. First you have to press the tires inside and get one lever stuck into the tire. And it has a hook here which you can use it to hook it to the spokes so that it will stay there. And with the other lever, you can just remove the tire. After that, you can just pull out the tube from inside the tire. So after filling the tire, you can use your ears to see if there's any puncture. You can hear it. By chance, if the hole is too small, you won't be able to hear the sound. So you have to find a puddle of water or some water body, and you can dip the tire in the water and see where the air is coming out from. After you see the air coming out, you can use a pen or a marker or a chalk, anything, to mark the point so that you don't lose it again. Then you have to let all the tire out from your tire. For that also you can use this tire lever. Afterwards, this is the spark tool puncture kit. In this you get 6 patches for fixing the puncture, a sandpaper and a glue. First what you have to do is you have to take the sandpaper and you have to rub it over the area on the tube where there is puncture to make the surface smooth. After making the surface smooth, you have to take the glue, apply a little amount of glue. You shouldn't apply too much, otherwise it will take too much time to dry and the tube can stick to your tires. So after applying a little glue, you have to keep it for around 5 minutes so that the glue is little dry, like half dry. After the glue is half dry, you can take the relevant size patches depending on your puncture. Sometimes on MTBs you will get a snake bite type puncture, which means there are 2 side by side holes. For that you can use this longer patch. For a single puncture, depending on the size, you can use this small patch or the medium size patch. This is the medium size patch, this is the small patch, this is the longer one for snake bite type punctures. So in this case I will be using the small patch. This patch comes sandwiched between 2 layers. First you have to remove the silver layer and this orange surface should be applied on the puncture. After applying the patch, you have to press it and hold it for a few seconds. You have to press it tightly. And after applying the patch, don't remove the plastic upwards, pull it backwards so that it doesn't pull out the puncture patch. After removing, if you have a chalk piece or something, you can use the chalk powder to apply on the remaining area so that the tube doesn't stick to your tire. After that, you have to put the tube back into the tire. First you have to align the valve to the rim. Now all you have to do is just fill up the tire. That's it. Clear. So that's it.
Like this is what I use. See, what if there is a puncture and if the hole is small, we can't make out the puncture, and we don't have water around, then what do? So in that case, no, I use this small spray bottle with no shampoo in it, slight amount shampoo mixed in water. With little amount, you can easily make out the puncture. Yeah, bubbles will come. So this is one small easy tip. If there's no water and you cannot make out the puncture. One small bottle, spray bottle. Yeah, you spray it on the tube and you will easily make out the puncture.